Hi guys, I don't know if you know this, but it's summer right now, and I've seen a lot of birds come in our house. So we decided to make this bird house right here. I started making this thing like a month ago, but like I had school and all, so I was a little busy. I couldn't upload it. But now finally, after school is done, I get to upload it and share it with you guys. So there's a little bit of work left. Let me just show you guys real quick. We have this little design on the front, like the little cute gates for the birds, a bell up here, a little jewel, and then this is the side. And then we added this little hook so it can hang on a tree like this. So yeah, we gotta finish it, but it's not over. I'll see you guys soon.